And the flag of Japan flies proudly on the Upper West Side of I Love New York. Here is a look of Japan Day and Japan Parade. The actual event of Japan Day in Central Park, which we see right in front of us, has evolved into Japan Parade. Now, this is a parade of people coming mostly to try Japanese food in this area. But there is a full parade that takes place on Central Park West. And for those of you familiar with Japan Day of Central Park, they've moved all of the artists that you would see at the bandshell to be part of a parade. And we can see the rebranding here on the shirt. Happy Japan Parade Day. It is free to attend this wonderful event. And it is post Sakura Matsuri, Japanese cherry blossom season. So in some ways it feels like an extension of spring, as we did just have some great events in the borough of Brooklyn. Japanese Cherry Blossom Festival in New York on Long Island. Cherry trees from Japan in Central Park. And we're gonna get a taste of the parade itself. And it looks like some kabuki makeup from Tokyo. Okay, here is the parade, Central Park West. Right underneath Dakota. Let's see what we can enjoy. Now, one of the things that I have noticed is the size of the event has gotten much larger. When this was in Central Park, it fit rather nicely by the Bethesda Fountain bandshell area. And then with the race, the 5-mile run, it got even larger. That is a quick view walking of Japan Day Parade and Celebration West 72nd Street and Central Park West in ever beautiful I Love New York. Till next time, happy Japan Day.